Now we are going to see the third possibility, that is simultaneous changes in demand and supply. It means both are going to change together. Under this, there are number of cases. First, increase will take place in both demand and supply. It means both are going to change. Second, decrease in demand and supply. It means both are going to decrease. Third is increase in demand and decrease in supply. It means together it is going to take place. Earlier we have seen first two possibilities, in that only one is changing, other is remaining same. But here both are going to change. And the fourth is increase in supply and decrease in demand. Now again under this we are going to see that first, increase in demand will be equal to increase in supply. Second, increase in demand will be more than increase in supply. Third, we are going to see is increase in supply will be more than increase in demand. So accordingly we are going to draw the figure. Okay. Now we are going to take the first one, that is we are going to see all these conditions. It means increase is going to take place. Okay. Now I will show you the figure of increase. Let us see the figure for increase. So here we are taking increase in demand and supply. Okay. Under this we are going to see the first one, that is increase in demand will be equal to increase in supply. Now what we are taking, accordingly we have to draw the figure. It means both are increasing and the increase will be same. Okay. So let us draw the figure for it. DD demand curve, SS supply curve, equilibrium point E, quantity Q, and price P. Now here what is given? Increase in demand. It means if there is any increase, the curve is going to shift towards the right side. So it is going to shift towards the right side. Okay. We will get new demand curve D dash D dash. And here it is given increase in demand will be equal to increase in supply. It means whatever changes are occurring in the demand, same changes will occur in the supply. It means the same is going to occur in supply. We'll get new supply curve S dash S dash, and we will get new equilibrium point E dash or E star, and at that point we are going to have the quantity, that is Q star. Okay. So here we have seen that the increase is taking place in both the demand and supply. The increase will be same, whatever increase is taking place in demand, same type of increase will take place in supply. Now because of this, what will happen under this, the equilibrium price, see, just go through this figure, what you can see here, you can see that the changes are of same type, increase is there, same amount of increase is there in demand and supply, equilibrium price did not change. So here we are going to write the examination, or we are going to write what we examined, that is equilibrium price remained unchanged. Then quantity, here you can write that is P, equilibrium quantity increased from OQ to OQ star. It means the change in the quantity is more. Clear? Then exactly the demand will increase in proportion to increase in supply. Okay, or you can write another line for this, that is increase in demand will be exactly to the increase in supply. So whatever case we are given, accordingly please draw the figure and you will get the observation, and you can write the observation like this. Now I am going to take the second one, same one, increase in demand and supply. As we have seen now here, first already we have seen when both are same. Now I am taking the second, increase in demand will be more than the increase in supply. So I am taking the second one, increase in demand is more than increase in supply. Now I got this case, and accordingly I will draw the figure, and after that I will write my observations. P and Q. Now what is given? Increase in demand. It means the demand is going to shift towards the right side. So the demand is going to shift towards the right side because increase is there. New demand curve will be gained, that is D dash, and not here. And increase in supply is also taking place. Now increase in supply is less, increase in demand is more, increase in supply is less. It means more increase is here, but less increase will take place in supply. S dash, S dash. Now here we got new equilibrium point, and accordingly we can see that E star, Q star, P star. Now what is the observation? Under this we can see that when, let us write the observation, when increase in demand is more than increase in supply, okay, the price will rise from OP, earlier it was OP, to OP star. OP star. It means the price is increasing. You can see here the price is increasing. Okay. And second, the quantity will increase from OQ to OQ star. The quantity will increase from OQ to OQ star. Okay. Then next observation which we got is increase in price is less than increase in quantity. That is easily observed here. Price is increasing but not in that much proportion in which the quantity increased. Okay, so here we have drawn the figure and it is clear to us.